Hi, my name is Emjay Rongavilla from Batangas State University, the National Engineering University, taking the Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, major in Network Technology. Nakita ko yung internship program na to sa isang Facebook post, sa isang Facebook page, kung saan naghahanap ako ng training program bilang academic requirement. Isa sa mga expectation ko sa training program na to ay magkakaroon ako ng mga bagong matututunan na pwede kong ilagay sa aking skills. And ang FBS ay did not fail to deliver. The skills that I have learned in the training program is the basics of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, wherein we develop websites in a basic format of HTML. And we also compose our own CSS styles. And then we also learned about the frameworks of CSS, such as Tailwind and Sass, wherein we use repeatable and reusable components. Next is the WordPress, where we use CMS so that the client can use the end product by themselves. Lastly is the backend technologies, where we develop the REST API. We connect the database to the front end. My memorable experience in the training program is the company fellowship, where the employees of the company get together and we participated in activities and get to know each other. And after that, we have a simple feast. One of the challenges I encountered here during the training program is where I have no friends here since I applied individually. So wala akong kakilala, wala akong kaklase, wala akong ka-school. So I really struggled to communicate with others, but I eventually overcame it by having conversation with other trainees then. So I made friends then with other trainees. I want to thank all my trainers, Sir Vincent, Miss Herlin, and Sir Eman for overseeing my growth in training. So if you're looking for a learning opportunity about full stack development, I recommend FBS for your training program. I want to thank FBS for this wonderful opportunity, and if you want to be a full stack developer, I recommend this training program.